Welcome to our video on Mastering Life Hacks, a beginner's guide to simplifying your life. In this video, we will be sharing some valuable tips and tricks that will help you streamline your daily routines, save time, and reduce stress. One important aspect of simplifying your life is to organize your physical space. A cluttered environment can lead to a cluttered mind. We will show you simple techniques to declutter and arrange your living space effectively, making it easier to find things and promoting a sense of calm. Managing your time efficiently is key to simplifying your life. We will share strategies to prioritize tasks, eliminate time-wasting activities, and create a productive schedule. With these techniques, you'll be able to make the most of your time and achieve a better work-life balance. Financial stress can greatly impact our overall well-being. We will provide some practical tips on budgeting, saving money, and avoiding unnecessary expenses. By mastering these life hacks, you'll be able to gain control over your finances and reduce financial worries. Improving your productivity can immensely simplify your life. We will reveal effective strategies for staying focused, minimizing distractions, and increasing efficiency in your daily tasks. These techniques will help you accomplish more in less time, giving you more freedom to enjoy life. Congratulations! You've now learned valuable life hacks to simplify your life. By implementing these strategies, you'll be able to create a more organized, efficient, and stress-free lifestyle. Remember, mastering life hacks is a continual process, so keep exploring and implementing new ways to simplify your life.